Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Air tool set is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable additions to any home workshop or professional garage, offering a powerful and efficient way to tackle a wide range of tasks from inflating tires and powering nail guns to cleaning hard-to-reach areas and performing intricate automotive repairs. These sets often come equipped with essential tools like air impact wrenches, ratchets, grinders, and sanders, all designed to significantly reduce manual labor and speed up your workflow, making them a crucial investment for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned mechanics alike who value both performance and time savings in their projects. Number 5. EXELAIR by Milton EX4405 KIT Air Tool Accessory Kit. Introducing the EXELAIR by Milton EX4405 KIT, a comprehensive 44-piece professional air tool accessory kit designed to tackle any task. Experience powerful performance with the 1/2-inch impact wrench, delivering up to 500 feet-pounds of max torque. Its adjustable settings allow for precise control over forward and reverse power. This kit includes a 3/8-inch air ratchet with 60 feet-pounds of max torque and a 1/4 air die grinder reaching 25,000 revolutions per minute for efficient auto maintenance. It also features an air hammer with 4,500 BPM and included bits. You'll find everything you need, from M-style plugs and a dual air chuck to a tire gauge and a blow gun with multiple nozzle options. Impact sockets with an extension and adapter are also provided. This kit comes with a durable blow-molded storage case, ensuring all your tools are organized and protected. It also includes bonus items like collets, oil, tape, and inflation needles for added convenience. What we like. This is a professional-grade kit with a wide variety of essential air tools. If you are looking for a complete solution for automotive repair and maintenance, this is an excellent choice. It includes everything you need to get started, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. What people say. Worked well on 2 brake jobs and a 16-year-old exhaust. The tools seem to work as advertised. I got this kit because it has a more powerful impact wrench and it was worth it. Unlike some other units for sale here and elsewhere, most of the tools actually still fit in the case after you attach the air quick disconnects to them. Great kit has everything you could need for a starter air compressor. Number 4. Capri Tools CP21350MT High Performance Air Blow Gun Master Set. Experience unmatched cleaning power with this high-performance air blow gun. It delivers an impressive airflow, ensuring efficient coverage for even the largest work areas. This master set includes 3 specialized nozzles, a Venturi turbo for maximum output, a quiet nozzle for reduced noise, and an extended nozzle for tight spaces. Reach anywhere with the included extensions. Work with confidence thanks to OSHA-compliant nozzles that meet safety standards. A chip guard is also included to deflect debris and provide extra protection during use. Easily adjust the air pressure to your needs with the conveniently located flow control knob. Achieve the perfect level of airflow for any task. Built with a durable aluminum body and a premium matte finish, this tool is designed for longevity. Its ergonomic grip and heavy-duty trigger ensure comfortable operation. Everything you need is neatly organized in a premium, spill-resistant mechanics tray. This set includes all necessary nozzles, extensions, and a quick connector, fitting perfectly in your tool chest. What we like. This high-performance blow gun delivers exceptional airflow with specialized nozzles for different tasks. If you need efficient cleaning over large areas or require OSHA-compliant operation for safety, this is the tool for you. Its durable construction and ergonomic design make it a reliable choice for demanding jobs. What people say. The air tool set is a great value for the price. It includes a variety of tools that are useful for different tasks. The tools are well made and durable. Number 3. Capri Tools 5 and 12 Air Blow Gun Kit. Introducing the Capri Tools 5 and 12-inch Air Blow Gun Kit. This versatile set is perfect for a variety of tasks, from drying fluids to clearing away debris. Experience superior comfort and control with its ergonomic handle, designed for an excellent grip during use. Its intuitive lever design makes operating this tool incredibly simple and efficient. The included rubber tip enhances precision and safeguards surfaces from scratches. It features a standard 1/4-inch NPT inner thread for broad compatibility. This kit is ideal for numerous applications, making your work easier and more effective. What we like. This kit offers two versatile air blow guns with rubber tips for precise application and surface protection. If you need to dry fluids or clear debris with accuracy, this set is perfect. Its comfortable grip and easy-to-use lever make it suitable for detailed work where control is essential. What people say. The impact wrench has a good torque and is easy to handle. The air ratchet is powerful enough for most automotive tasks. The set includes a variety of useful sockets and adapters. Number 2. Hausse Heavy-Duty Air Compressor Accessory Kit. Introducing a versatile tool that combines tire inflation with a blow gun. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to easily check tire pressure and clean with a single unit. This tool features a clear, easy-to-read gauge that displays PSI measurements accurately, even when not connected to an air compressor. You can also release excess air with the built-in vent valve. Built with heavy-duty metal construction, this accessory is designed to last. Its corrosion-resistant properties ensure durability for all your air tool needs. The standard blow gun comes with multiple nozzles and inflation needles. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from inflating tires to sports equipment. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started on your projects. Connect it to any 4-inch NPT air compressor output for quick and efficient tire inflation. The set includes an air blow gun with nozzles, a filling gun with a valve connector hose, and various adapters. It's a complete solution for all your air tool requirements. What we like. This heavy-duty kit combines a tire inflator with a gauge and a blow gun, offering great convenience. If you need a reliable tool for inflating tires and general cleaning tasks, this is a solid option. Its corrosion-resistant metal construction ensures durability for frequent use. What people say. The product is very durable and made of high-quality materials. It comes with a wide variety of tools that are useful for many different tasks. The tools are easy to use and handle, even for beginners. Number 1. Ironton 100 PC Air Tool Kit. Experience the power of this 2-inch impact wrench, operating at 90 psi. Its twin hammer mechanism delivers balanced impacts for efficient work. Crafted with a die-cast aluminum body, this tool is built to last. Its robust design ensures reliability for all your projects. Enjoy reduced vibrations thanks to the twin hammer mechanism. This design provides a smoother, more controlled user experience. Achieve perfect results with the built-in regulator. It allows for precise control over speed and torque, adapting to your needs. Switching between forward and reverse is effortless. This feature enhances convenience and efficiency during operation. This comprehensive 100-piece kit has everything you need. Tackle a wide range of tasks with this versatile set. What we like. This extensive 100-piece kit features a powerful impact wrench with a twin hammer mechanism for balanced performance. If you are tackling heavy-duty tasks like tire changes or bolt removal, this set provides the power and control you need. The built-in regulator allows for precise adjustments, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. What people say. The air tool set is a great value for the price. This air tool set is very durable and has held up well under heavy use. The included accessories are high quality and work perfectly with the tools. You can find Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.